Alrighty, so how you turn or how you store and organize your files and folders is important for my class, and you can lose points by not doing it correctly. But you may be in a trouble where you're like, I don't know how to fix the problem I've created. Okay, so let me show you what you can do. So ideally, what you have, and this is going to be specifically about Fusion, but this could apply to Google Drive as well, because there's this concept called nesting, right, where you put one thing inside something else. Think like those nesting dolls, Russian nesting dolls. So basically, I will look that you have in your project the folder that I need to see with the files in it. All right, and it's a like 2-click process for me. Um, but you might have done something like this. You have this extra folder where actually there's a folder inside it. Maybe that's the folder you want. Maybe that's what I should have named it. My computer's being slow. So might need to, let's see. Okay, and then inside that folder, there's another extra folder that's just empty, has nothing. Okay, and then we've got the 2 files that you actually do need that are in here. So you might be thinking, well, how do I get rid of those extra layers of folders without deleting the good work, the necessary files, right? So I'm going to show you what I think is the best way to deal with this. Let's go to back up to the start, go to the web version of Autodesk. So we're going to click in our browser now, and it will show you all your stuff. So what we want to do is we want to actually, I guess we could have gone down to this level. This is the folder you need. Well, let's do some other things. This is the unnecessary folder. So in here, on the web version, we can pretty easily delete this. You should be able to do it on Fusion 360 itself also. But yeah, we're getting rid of that. Okay, and now let's go back one, and I can actually use this stuff at the top to do this. So let's see, going to be in the extra folder. I need to get this into the normal IED Reed Fagan. So what I'll do is I'll click this checkbox and do move, and move it to IED Reed Fagan. All right, which could take a while to find on here. Nope, there we go. So check that, say move. All right, and now it's where it needs to be, and I can actually just delete this extra folder by going to IED Reed Fagan, delete it, and we're done. One thing you might run into, if you name them the exact same thing, it's not going to let you move them for good reason. It'll get confusing. So you'll have to change the name. Pick your names carefully, all right, so that you know what you want to keep and what you want to delete. All right, hope this is helpful.